Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can disable an app from accessing internet. So, let's get started. You give the So, welcome back again, guys. So, now I'll show you how you can disable an app from accessing internet. So, it's very simple. Just you have to copy the file location. Just right click on that app and open file location. Then copy this location. I'll just copy it and now search for Defender, Windows Defender. Then open it, go to Advanced Settings, then go to Inbound Rules. Please, guys, focus here. Then go to New Rule, then select Program. Next, this program path, just you have to paste it your app location, or you can browse it from here. So just click on Next. Then you have to select Block the connection. Then next, you have to select these three options. Then next, and you can name it anything like I want to name it Adobe. Okay. Then click on Finish. It's very simple. Then go. It's not over yet. Go to Outbound Rules. Then click on New Rule. Then next. Then this program path. Yeah, you have to paste it your application location again. Then click on Next. Then you have to select block the connection. Next, next. Then name it anything you want. I'll just name it anything. Okay. Then click on finish. Yeah, it's over. Now your app can't access internet from anywhere. So, tata bye bye.